Surah, number 39, of Quran Majeed. The companies.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Tanzilul Kitabi min Allahil Azizil Hakim.
The gradual sending down of the book is from Allah, the Almighty, the All-Wise.
Inna anzalna ilayka al-kitaba bil-haqqi fa'budillaha mukhlishan lahu-d-din.
Indeed, we have sent down the book to you with the truth, so worship Allah, putting exclusive faith in Him.
ألا لله الدين الخالص والذين اتخذوا من دونه أولياء ما نعبدهم إلا ليقربونا إلى الله زلفى إن الله يحكم بينهم فيما هم فيه يختلفون إن الله لا يهدي من هو كاذب كفار.
Indeed, only exclusive faith is worthy of Allah, and those who take other as awliya besides Him, claiming, we only worship them so that they may bring us near to Allah, Allah will judge between them concerning that about which they differ. Indeed, Allah does not guide someone who is a liar and an ingrate.
لو أراد الله أن يتخذ ولدا لاصطفى مما يخلق ما يشاء سبحانه هو الله الواحد القهار.
Had Allah intended to take a son, He could have chosen from those He has created whatever He wished. Immaculate is He. He is Allah, the One, the All-Paramount.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق يكور الليل على النهار ويكور النهار على الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى ألا هو العزيز الغفار.
He created the heavens and the earth with consummate wisdom. He winds the night over the day, and winds the day over the night, and He has disposed the sun and the moon, each moving for a specified term. Indeed, He is the Almighty, the All-Forgiver.
خلقكم من نفس واحدة ثم جعل منها زوجها وأنزل لكم من الأنعام 8 أزواج يخلقكم في بطون أمهاتكم خلقا من بعد خلق في ظلمات 3 ذلكم الله ربكم له الملك لا إله إلا هو فأنى تصرفون.
He created you from a single soul, then made from it its mate, and He has sent down for you 8 mates of the cattle. He creates you in the wombs of your mothers, creation after creation, in a threefold darkness. That is Allah, your Lord. To Him belongs all sovereignty. There is no God except Him. Then where are you being led away?
إن تكفروا فإن الله غني عنكم ولا يرضى لعباده الكفر وَإِن تَشْكُرُوا يَرْضَهُ لَكُمْ وَلَا تَزِرُ وَازِرَةٌ وِزْرَ أُخْرَى ثُمَّ إِلَى رَبِّكُمْ مَرْجِعُكُمْ فَيُنَبِّئُكُم بِمَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ إِنَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ.
If you are ungrateful, Allah has indeed no need of you, though He does not approve ingratitude for His servants. And if you give thanks, He approves that for you. No bearer shall bear another's burden, then your return will be to your Lord, whereat He will inform you concerning what you used to do. Indeed, He knows best what is in the breasts.
وَإِذَا مَسَّ الْإِنسَانَ ضُرٌّ دَعَا رَبَّهُ مُنِيبًا إِلَيْهِ ثُمَّ إِذَا خَوَّلَهُ نِعْمَةً مِّنْهُ نَسِيَ مَا كَانَ يَدْعُو إِلَيْهِ مِن قَبْلُ وَجَعَلَ لِلَّهِ أَندَادًا لِّيُضِلَّ عَن سَبِيلِهِ قُلْ تَمَتَّعْ بِكُفْرِكَ قَلِيلًا إِنَّكَ مِنْ أَصْحَابِ النَّارِ.
When distress befalls man, he supplicates his Lord, turning to Him penitently. Then, when He grants him a blessing from Himself, he forgets that for which he had supplicated Him earlier and sets up equals to Allah, that He may lead people astray from His way. Say, revel in your ingratitude for a while. Indeed you are among the inmates of the fire.
أَمَّنْ هُوَ قَانِتٌ آنَاءَ اللَّيْلِ سَاجِدًا وَقَائِمًا يَحْذَرُ الْآخِرَةَ وَيَرْجُو رَحْمَةَ رَبِّهِ قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ إِنَّمَا يَتَذَكَّرُ أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ.
Is he who supplicates in the watches of the night, prostrating and standing, apprehensive of the hereafter and expecting the mercy of his Lord? Say, are those who know equal to those who do not know? Only those who possess intellect take admonition.
قُلْ يَا عِبَادِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا اتَّقُوا رَبَّكُمْ لِلَّذِينَ أَحْسَنُوا فِي هَذِهِ الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةٌ وَأَرْضُ اللَّهِ وَاسِعَةٌ إِنَّمَا يُوَفَّى الصَّابِرُونَ أَجْرَهُم بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ.
Say, Allah declares, O my servants who have faith, be wary of your Lord. For those who do good in this world there will be a good reward, and Allah's earth is vast. Indeed the patient will be paid in full their reward without any reckoning.
قُلْ إِنِّي أُمِرْتُ أَنْ أَعْبُدَ اللَّهَ مُخْلِصًا لَهُ الدِّينَ.
Say, I have been commanded to worship Allah with exclusive faith in Him.
وَأُمِرْتُ لِأَنْ أَكُونَ أَوَّلَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ.
And I have been commanded to be the foremost of those who submit to Him.
قُلْ إِنِّي أَخَافُ إِنْ عَصَيْتُ رَبِّي عَذَابَ يَوْمٍ عَظِيمٍ.
Say, indeed, should I disobey my Lord, I fear the punishment of a tremendous day.
قُلِ اللَّهَ أَعْبُدُ مُخْلِصًا لَهُ دِينِي.
Say, I worship only Allah, putting my exclusive faith in Him.
فَاعْبُدُوا مَا شِئْتُم مِّن دُونِهِ قُلْ إن الخاسرين الذين خسروا أنفسهم وأهليهم يوم القيامة ألا ذلك هو الخسران المبين.
You worship whatever you wish besides him. Say, the losers are those who ruin themselves and their families on the day of resurrection. Indeed, that is a manifest loss.
لهم من فوقهم ظلل من النار ومن تحتهم ظلل ذلك يخوف الله به عباده يا عباد فاتقون.
There will be canopies of fire above them, and similar canopies beneath them. With that Allah deters his servants. So, my servants, be wary of me.
والذين اجتنبوا الطاغوت أن يعبدوها وأنابوا إلى الله لهم البشرى فبشر عباد.
As for those who stay clear of the worship of fake deities and turn penitently to Allah, there is good news for them. So give good news to my servants.
الذين يستمعون القول فيتبعون أحسنه أولئك الذين هداهم الله وأولئك هم أولو الألباب.
Who listen to the word of Allah and follow the best interpretation of it. They are the ones whom Allah has guided, and it is they who possess intellect.
أفمن حق عليه كلمة العذاب أفأنت تنقذ من في النار.
Can he against whom the word of punishment has become due? Can you rescue someone who is in the fire?
لكن الذين اتقوا ربهم لهم غرف من فوقها غرف مبنية تجري من تحتها الأنهار وعد الله لا يخلف الله الميعاد.
But as for those who are wary of their Lord, for them there will be lofty abodes with other lofty abodes built above them, with streams running beneath them, a promise of Allah. Allah does not break his promise.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فسلكه ينابيع في الأرض ثم يخرج به زرعا مختلفا ألوانه ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يجعله حطاما إن في ذلك لذكرى لأولي الألباب.
Have you not seen that Allah sends down water from the sky, then he conducts it through the ground as springs? Then he brings forth with it crops of diverse hues. Then they wither and you see them turn yellow. Then he turns them into chaff. There is indeed a lesson in that for those who possess intellect.
أفمن شرح الله صدره للإسلام فهو على نور من ربه فويل للقاسية قلوبهم من ذكر الله أولئك في ضلال مبين.
Is someone whose breast Allah has opened to Islam so that he follows a light from his Lord. So woe to those whose hearts have been hardened to the remembrance of Allah. They are in manifest error.
الله نزل أحسن الحديث كتابا متشابها مثانية تقشعر منه جلود الذين يخشون ربهم ثم تلين جلودهم وقلوبهم إلى ذكر الله ذلك هدى الله يهدي به من يشاء ومن يضلل الله فما له من هاد.
Allah has sent down the best of discourses, a scripture, composed of similar motifs, whereat shiver the skins of those who fear their Lord, then their skins and hearts relax at Allah's remembrance. That is Allah's guidance, by which He guides whomever He wishes, and whomever Allah leads astray, has no guide.
أفمن يتقي بوجهه سوء العذاب يوم القيامة وقيل للظالمين ذوقوا ما كنتم تكسبون.
What is someone who fends off with his face the terrible punishment meted out to him on the day of resurrection? And the wrongdoers will be told, taste what you used to earn.
كذب الذين من قبلهم فأتاهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون.
Those who were before them impugned, the apostles, whereat the punishment overtook them whence they were not aware.
فأذاقهم الله الخزي في الحياة الدنيا ولعذاب الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون.
So Allah made them taste disgrace in the life of the world, and the punishment of the hereafter will surely be greater, if they knew.
وَلَقَدْ ضَرَبْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَذَكَّرُونَ.
We have drawn for mankind in this Quran every kind of example, so that they may take admonition.
قُرْآنًا عَرَبِيًّا غَيْرَ ذِي عِوَجٍ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَّقُونَ.
An Arabic Quran, without any deviousness, so that they may be God-weary.
ضرب الله مثلا رجلا فيه شركاء متشاكسون ورجلا سلما لرجل هل يستويان مثلا الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Allah draws an example. A man jointly owned by several contending masters, and a man belonging entirely to one man, are the two equal in comparison? All praise belongs to Allah. But most of them do not know.
إنك ميت وإنهم ميتون.
You will die, and they, too, will die.
ثم إنكم يوم القيامة عند ربكم تختصمون.
Then on the day of resurrection you will contend before your Lord.
فمن أظلم ممن كذب على الله وكذب بالصدق إذ جاءه أليس في جهنم مثوى للكافرين.
So who is a greater wrongdoer than him who attributes a falsehood to Allah, and denies the truth when it reaches him? Is not the final abode of the faithless in hell?
والذي جاء بالصدق وصدق به أولئك هم المتقون.
He who brings the truth and he who confirms it, it is they who are the God-weary.
لهم ما يشاءون عند ربهم ذلك جزاء المحسنين.
They will have what they wish with their Lord. That is the reward of the virtuous.
ليكفر الله عنهم أسوأ الذي عملوا ويجزيهم أجرهم بأحسن الذي كانوا يعملون.
That Allah may absolve them of the worst of what they did, and pay them their reward by the best of what they used to do.
أليس الله بكاف عبده ويخوفونك بالذين من دونه ومن يضلل الله فما له من هاد.
Does not Allah suffice to defend His servant? They would frighten you of others than Him. Yet whomever Allah leads astray has no guide.
ومن يهد الله فما له من مضل أليس الله بعزيز ذي انتقام.
And whomever Allah guides, there is no one who can lead him astray. Is not Allah an almighty avenger?
ولئن سألتهم من خلق السماوات والأرض ليقولن الله قل أفرأيتم ما تدعون من دون الله إن أرادني الله بضر هل هن كاشفات ضره أو أرادني برحمة هل هن ممسكات رحمته قل حسبي الله عليه يتوكل المتوكلون.
If you ask them, who created the heavens and the earth? They will surely say, Allah. Say, have you considered what you invoke besides Allah? Should Allah desire some distress for me, can they remove the distress visited by Him? Or should He desire some mercy for me, can they withhold His mercy? Say, Allah is sufficient for me. In Him let all the trusting put their trust.
قل يا قوم اعملوا على مكانتكم إني عامل فسوف تعلمون.
Say, O my people, act according to your ability. I too am acting. Soon you will know.
من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ويحل عليه عذاب مقيم.
Who will be overtaken by a punishment that will disgrace him, and on whom a lasting punishment will descend.
إنا أنزلنا عليك الكتاب للناس بالحق فمن اهتدى فلنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها وما أنت عليهم بوكيل.
Indeed we have sent down the book to you with the truth for the deliverance of mankind. So whoever is guided for his own sake, and whoever goes astray to his own detriment, and it is not your duty to watch over them.
الله يتوفى الأنفس حين موتها والتي لم تمت في منامها فيمسك التي قضى عليها الموت ويرسل الأخرى إلى أجل مسمى إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
Allah takes the souls at the time of their death, and those who have not died, in their sleep. Then he retains those for whom he has ordained death and releases the others until a specified time. There are indeed signs in that for a people who reflect.
أم اتخذوا من دون الله شفعاء قل أولو كانوا لا يملكون شيئا ولا يعقلون.
Have they taken intercessors besides Allah? Say, what? Even though they do not control anything, and cannot reason?
قل لله الشفاعة جميعا له ملك السماوات والأرض ثم إليه ترجعون.
Say, all intercession rests with Allah. To him belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, then you will be brought back to him.
وَإِذَا ذُكِرَ اللَّهُ وَحْدَهُ اشْمَأَزَّتْ قُلُوبُ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ وَإِذَا ذُكِرَ الَّذِينَ مِن دُونِهِ إِذَا هُمْ يَسْتَبْشِرُونَ.
When Allah is mentioned alone, thereat shrink away the hearts of those who do not believe in the hereafter, but when others are mentioned besides him, behold, they rejoice.
قُلِ اللَّهُمَّ فَاطِرَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ عَالِمَ الْغَيْبِ وَالشَّهَادَةِ أَنْتَ تَحْكُمُ بَيْنَ عِبَادِكَ فِيمَا كَانُوا فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ.
Say, O Allah, originator of the heavens and the earth, knower of the sensible and the unseen, you will judge between your servants concerning that about which they used to differ.
وَلَوْ أَنَّ لِلَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا مَا فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا وَمِثْلَهُ مَعَهُ لَافْتَدَوْا بِهِ مِنْ سُوءِ الْعَذَابِ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ وَبَدَا لَهُم مِّنَ اللَّهِ مَا لَمْ يَكُونُوا يَحْتَسِبُونَ.
Even if the wrongdoers possessed all that is on the earth, and as much of it besides, they would offer it on the day of resurrection to redeem themselves with it from a terrible punishment, and there will appear to them from Allah what they had never reckoned.
وَبَدَا لَهُمْ سَيِّئَاتُ مَا كَسَبُوا وَحَاقَ بِهِم مَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
The evils of what they had earned will appear to them, and they will be besieged by what they used to deride.
فَإِذَا مَسَّ الْإِنسَانَ ضُرٌّ دَعَانَا ثُمَّ إِذَا خَوَّلْنَاهُ نِعْمَةً مِنَّا قَالَ إِنَّمَا أُوتِيتُهُ عَلَى عِلْمٍ بَلْ هِيَ فِتْنَةٌ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
When distress befalls man, he supplicates us. Then, when we grant him a blessing from us, he says, I was given it by virtue of my knowledge. Indeed, it is a test, but most of them do not know.
قَدْ قَالَهَا الَّذِينَ مِن قَبْلِهِمْ فَمَا أَغْنَىٰ عَنْهُم مَّا كَانُوا يَكْسِبُونَ.
Those who were before them, also, said that, but what they used to earn did not avail them.
فَأَصَابَهُمْ سَيِّئَاتُ مَا كَسَبُوا وَالَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا مِنْ هَٰؤُلَاءِ سَيُصِيبُهُمْ سَيِّئَاتُ مَا كَسَبُوا وَمَا هُمْ بمعجزين.
So the evils of what they had earned visited them, and as for the wrongdoers among these, the evils of what they earn shall be visited on them, and they will not frustrate Allah.
أَوَلَمْ يَعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ يَبْسُطُ الرِّزْقَ لِمَن يَشَاءُ وَيَقْدِرُ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Do they not know that Allah expands the provision for whomever He wishes and tightens it for whomever He wishes? There are indeed signs in that for a people who have faith.
قُلْ يَا عِبَادِيَ الَّذِينَ أَسْرَفُوا عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِهِمْ لَا تَقْنَطُوا مِن رَّحْمَةِ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ جَمِيعًا إِنَّهُ هُوَ الْغَفُورُ الرَّحِيمُ.
Say that Allah declares, O my servants who have committed excesses against their own souls, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah will forgive all sins. Indeed, He is the all-forgiving, the all-merciful.
وَأَنِيبُوا إِلَى رَبِّكُمْ وَأَسْلِمُوا لَهُ مِن قَبْلِ أَن يَأْتِيَكُمُ الْعَذَابُ ثُمَّ لَا تُنصَرُونَ.
Turn penitently to Him and submit to Him before the punishment overtakes you, whereupon you will not be helped.
وَاتَّبِعُوا أَحْسَنَ مَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكُم مِّن رَّبِّكُم مِّن قَبْلِ أَن يَأْتِيَكُمُ الْعَذَابُ بَغْتَةً وَأَنتُمْ لَا تَشْعُرُونَ.
Follow the best of what has been sent down to you from your Lord, before the punishment overtakes you suddenly while you are unaware.
أَن تَقُولَ نَفْسٌ يَا حَسْرَتَا عَلَى مَا فَرَّطتُ فِي جَنبِ اللَّهِ وَإِن كُنتُ لَمِنَ السَّاخِرِينَ.
Lest anyone should say, Alas for my negligence in the vicinage of Allah. Indeed I was among those who ridiculed.
أَوْ تَقُولَ لَوْ أَنَّ اللَّهَ هَدَانِي لَكُنتُ مِنَ الْمُتَّقِينَ.
Or say, had Allah guided me I would have surely been among the God-weary.
أَوْ تَقُولَ حِينَ تَرَى الْعَذَابَ لَوْ أَنَّ لِي كَرَّةً فَأَكُونَ مِنَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ.
Or say, when He cites the punishment, if only there were a second chance for me, I would be among the virtuous.
بَلَى قَدْ جَاءَتْكَ آيَاتِي فَكَذَّبْتَ بِهَا وَاسْتَكْبَرْتَ وَكُنْتَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ.
They will be told, yes, my signs certainly came to you, but you denied them and acted arrogantly and you were among the faithless.
وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ تَرَى الَّذِينَ كَذَبُوا عَلَى اللَّهِ وُجُوهُهُم مُّسْوَدَّةٌ أَلَيْسَ فِي جَهَنَّمَ مَثْوًى لِّلْمُتَكَبِّرِينَ.
On the day of resurrection you will see those who attributed lies to Allah with their faces blackened. Is not there, final, abode of the arrogant in hell?
وينجي الله الذين اتقوا بمفازتهم لا يمسهم السوء ولا هم يحزنون.
Allah will deliver those who were God-weary with their salvation. No ill shall touch them, nor will they grieve.
الله خالق كل شيء وهو على كل شيء وكيل.
Allah is creator of all things, and he watches over all things.
له مقاليد السماوات والأرض والذين كفروا بآيات الله أولئك هم الخاسرون.
To him belong the keys of the heavens and the earth, and those who disbelieve in the signs of Allah, it is they who are the losers.
قل أفغير الله تأمروني أعبد أيها الجاهلون.
Say, will you, then, bid me to worship other than Allah, O you ignorant ones?
ولقد أوحي إليك وإلى الذين من قبلك لئن أشركت ليحبطن عملك ولتكونن من الخاسرين.
Certainly it has been revealed to you and to those who have been before you, if you ascribe a partner to Allah your works shall fail and you shall surely be among the losers.
بل الله فاعبد وكن من الشاكرين.
No, worship Allah, and be among the grateful.
وما قدروا الله حق قدره والأرض جميعا قبضته يوم القيامة والسماوات مطويات بيمينه سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون.
They do not regard Allah with the regard due to him, yet the entire earth will be in his fist on the day of resurrection, and the heavens, scrolled, in his right hand. Immaculate is he and exalted above, having any partners that they ascribe to him.
ونفخ في الصور فصعق من في السماوات ومن في الأرض إلا من شاء الله ثم نفخ فيه أخرى فإذا هم قيام ينظرون.
And the trumpet will be blown, and whoever is in the heavens will swoon and whoever is on the earth, except whomever Allah wishes. Then it will be blown a second time, behold, they will rise up, looking on.
وأشرقت الأرض بنور ربها ووضع الكتاب وجيء بالنبيين والشهداء وقضي بينهم بالحق وهم لا يظلمون.
The earth will glow with the light of her Lord, and the book will be set up, and the prophets and the martyrs will be brought, and judgment will be made between them with justice, and they will not be wronged.
ووفيت كل نفس ما عملت وهو أعلم بما يفعلون.
Every soul will be recompensed fully for what it has done, and He is best aware of what they do.
وسيق الذين كفروا إلى جهنم زمرا حتى إذا جاءوها فتحت أبوابها وقال لهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم رسل منكم يتلون عليكم آيات ربكم وينذرونكم لقاء يومكم هذا قالوا بلى ولكن حقت كلمة العذاب على الكافرين.
The faithless will be driven to hell in throngs. When they reach it and its gates are opened, its keepers will say to them, Did there not come to you any apostles from among yourselves, reciting to you the signs of your Lord and warning you of the encounter of this day of yours? They will say, Yes, but the word of punishment became due against the faithless.
قيل ادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فبئس مثوى المتكبرين.
It will be said, Enter the gates of hell to remain in it, forever. Evil is there, ultimate abode of the arrogant.
وسيق الذين اتقوا ربهم إلى الجنة زمرا حتى إذا جاءوها وفتحت أبوابها وقال لهم خزنتها سلام عليكم طبتم فادخلوها خالدين.
Those who are wary of their Lord will be led to paradise in throngs. When they reach it and its gates are opened, its keepers will say to them, Peace be to you. You are welcome. Enter it to remain, forever.
وقالوا الحمد لله الذي صدقنا وعده وأورثنا الأرض نتبوأ من الجنة حيث نشاء فنعم أجر العاملين.
They will say, All praise belongs to Allah, who has fulfilled His promise to us and made us inheritors of the earth, that we may settle in paradise wherever we may wish. How excellent is the reward of the workers of righteousness.
وترى الملائكة حافين من حول العرش يسبحون بحمد ربهم وقضي بينهم بالحق وقيل الحمد لله رب العالمين.
And you will see the angels surrounding the throne, celebrating the praise of their Lord, and judgment will be made between them with justice, and it will be said, All praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.